Look, I hear you, James. I had a few people tell me that as well. Oh, geez, not another 3PL. I get it. But look, we were very fortunate in our previous life to be able to get a really good insight into the logistics space right across the spectrum. So we partnered with from retail right through manufacturing and third-party logistics, and we were fortunate enough to deploy robotics into some big brands out there, DHL and Seva Logistics and the like. So we were very fortunate to I guess work at the top end of town and right through. So really get to see the pros and cons of and how different different verticals are using automation. So that was really insightful for us. And so as we kind of finished up at Shiperoo, at Cohesio, and kind of were thinking about what was next, it was a case of look, we felt when we walked through I was walking through a very large fashion kind of pure play marketplace and kind of seeing the amount of returns that they had, and I guess the time frame in which they could really process them, and I guess the logistics burn of doing that. And that was kind of where the impetus came. And sitting down with JK and kind of spitballing ideas with him, and that was when I said to Riz, look, there's got to be something here, let's explore this. And that was when John King was kind enough with his good friend Tony Carr to host us up in the UK, and we're very fortunate to walk through some incredible brands up there, ASOS and Boohoo and the likes, and what they were doing from a returns perspective. So we kind of felt, look, there's an opportunity here to do something a little bit different. And so our automation was really initially designed for handling the reverse logistics element, but very quickly our business pivoted to, I guess, as you say, not so traditional 3PL, but a multi-channel 3PL. So by that, retail, e-com, drop ship and wholesale. We do the lot out of our automated facilities, but we do it with a twist. And our whole proposition is really not just the automation. I guess that you could argue that's out of the box, but our secret sauce is really a couple of things. It's in the way in which we do it. We're logisticians, so we kind of get it from a process perspective. We're not just throwing tech at a problem. So we're kind of looking at really the process and how we tweak that, but also the workflow around it, and obviously the people behind it is really what makes it work.